Now, greetings and welcome to No BS Baking. My name's JP, and in this little short video here, I'm going to show you how to take your bread, which maybe you're struggling with a little bit, getting some oven spring on it or getting the volume up on it. I'm going to show you how to take it from cow to pow. And really, really easy. I don't see any other videos talking about this. This is something that people should know, and this is an important ingredient to have in your kitchen, especially if you're baking, because you can run through a lot of hoops. And yeah, for sure you want to learn how to do it and develop your gluten and all these types of things to get your dough absolutely perfect, to optimize your oven spring and your oven volume if that's what you're looking for. But this little hack will help you take it from where you think you got it good to where you never believed you'd take it. So let's talk about it. So if you're baking loaves that kind of look like that, you don't need to get too freaked out about it. Now, this guy here was using very medium flour at the best. We're in Southeast Asia here. He was using an all-purpose bleached bread flour. And it's okay, it will do the trip, but it's not really super fantastic for giving beautiful oven spring and all the rest of it. Now, what I did is I recommended this hack, and this is what he produced over here. Now, if you see the difference, you can see that it was a huge, huge difference. He's absolutely ecstatic. Now, he went a little bit high on what I would consider to be optimum levels, and so we're just going to cover that off for a couple of seconds right now. So, JP, what's this big secret? The secret is really simple. It's called Vital Wheat Gluten. Now, if you know anything about baking and you've been baking for a while, then you understand the importance of developing gluten within your dough. You want that nice elastic structure in there. Your proteins are all holding in this gas. You're getting great volume. And you also understand the issues that you can have by not having a good gluten structure and properly developed gluten in your dough. So adding Vital Wheat Gluten is a little trick, a little hack that you can use to stack the protein, the gluten-forming protein of your flour, and give you better gas retention. Now, you don't need to change anything in your formulation. You can just add it directly on top. Now, many bakers will also say that you should take out some of your flour, and you can, if you want to build up your protein to say 14% or maybe a little higher, then you can take away some of the flour and then supplement that with gluten flour. Now, you can do that, and I have a calculator that will be coming up very shortly, which tells you how to calculate all that. So if you've got weak flour as an example, you can bump it up to a good high quality bread flour protein content. But in this instance here, we're talking about just getting your loaf of bread so that it is awesome. And really quickly and easily, you stack this directly into your formula, directly on top. Don't worry about flour, changing your flour levels too much or anything like that. Just put it right into your recipe, and you're going to have amazing results. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'm going to be releasing a lot of these little short videos, so hit that subscribe button, keep on top of everything that's coming out, and please drop me a line and let me know what you think of everything in the comment section. So anyway, thank you. See you next time on No BS Baking.